So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Shiba, where I'll be posting my lead code or DSA content. Not each and every day, earlier I used to say that, but not right now. So the problem that today we'll be solving is lead code problem number 237, which is delete node in a linked list. Okay, as we can just see, this problem is of linked list and we'll be solving it right now. So let's jump into the problem and see what it really is. Okay, so there is a singly linked list head. We want to delete node. Okay, you're given the node to be deleted. Okay, you will not be given access to the first node head of the linked list. All the values in the linked list are unique, and it is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node in the linked list. Okay, so if you have seen my yesterday's problem, in which I implemented few functions, within those functions, first function was insert at head. Okay, second function was insert at tail. Third function was delete a node. And if you have seen this, the fourth function was there, display function for a linked list. So now yesterday I just implemented all of these four functions. Now out of these four functions, today there is a similar lead code problem to delete a node, and I guess you can definitely try this problem, which is lead code problem number 237. You can just try it for yourself and see if it works. But here is a catch. As you can see in this problem, if you would read the statement, this statement is telling me that a particular node, we need to delete a particular node in a linked list, and also that let's say 4519, this linked list is given to us, and in that we need to just delete the this node which is having value of 5. Okay, so we just need to do that. Earlier, if you have seen my yesterday's video, then what we had to do was we were given with head. I knew where the head of the linked list is, and when I knew where the head of the linked list was, till it is okay. Okay, so if I knew where head of the linked list is, from that point I can just traverse throughout the linked list until we find a particular linked list whose target value is what we desire. Okay, so actually we had to go till this let's say a temp variable. We are using a temp variable to traverse throughout the array. First of all, it will be at the 0th index, then at the second index, and if a particular value or target lies in the third index, then our iteration will end up till second index, and from that point we will just be rearranging all of these links. And after rearranging these links, what we will do is we will delete this particular node, and this is how we will get a result linked list which will have only 3 nodes. Okay, that is what we are doing. But in this particular problem, what we are asked is that we will not be given head of the linked list, so linked list's head will not be available to us. We are directly given with the particular node whose value we need to delete. Okay, so we will be particularly provided with that. Node. So let's see how we will be thinking in this problem 4519. Let us take the very basic example as it is provided in this test case 4519. It is also given in the problem that the node that we will be deleting will never be the last node, will never be the tail node. It will never be the tail node. Okay, so if it is never the tail node, that means our work is quite simple, I guess. In linked list, we can, in a singly linked list, we cannot traverse backwards. We just have a unidirectional way of traversal, and with that respect, if we think how we will be able to solve this problem, then let's see. What we need to actually do is, so at this point, if you're still watching my video, I would urge you to solve this problem by yourself. Take some time and try to do it by yourself, because I think if my earlier videos explanation was fine, you guys will be easily doing this problem. Okay, it is not that much of a big deal. If you're already given with the target node, here it is the target node. Let me just remove this particular thing because it will create distraction. Okay, so if this is the particular target node that I am given and I'm already at this position, so I'm asking you what you need to do in order to make this linked list a certain linked list which will look like 4, 1 and 9. It's really simple. It's definitely simple. Earlier you had, if if I was provided with head earlier on, if I was provided with head, then this traversal would start from temp would start this traversal from the 0th index, and we will be coming up to the 0th node itself. If 5 is our target, then what we will be doing is we will be changing our links. Okay, but we cannot do it here because we are already at the particular target node. So what we need to do here is this: we can actually take this value 1, we can take this value 1. Okay, let me take another pen. We can take this value 1 and we can just take this value and like update 5 to 1, simply because we have a unidirectional way of doing things in a singly linked list. So we will take a different element which is next to the target, we will take its value, and then we will rearrange these nodes. So whatever we were doing earlier, we will do it now, but in the given node which is to be deleted itself. So we will be deleting the next node, and we will be like rearranging our links in such a way that we will like take temps next, like temps next will be taking temps next. Let me just write it properly. So how we will be rearranging our node is simply like this. We will be saying if our temp is, or our node is here, then nodes next, like the address part of this compartment, will carry nodes next. That means we are jumping like 2 steps, and we will be rearranging these links. So if you look at whatever we have done can simply be boiled down into 2 steps, and I'm telling you, the code is really, like, the implementation part is really simple. So all you need to do is, first you need to copy next node's value, okay, my writing is not that good, but okay, I think you can just understand whatever I'm writing. So we will need to copy the next node's value, and then we need to just rearrange our links within the linked list. And finally, I guess we will just return from the particular function, because we are not required to return any value. Yes, and as you can see, it's void. Return type in itself is void. So that is all in the logic part. Now we will move towards the implementation part. So as I've already told you, implementation part is really simple. We'll just copy nodes nodes value. We'll take nodes next value. Okay, we will take we'll take another node's value in the node which we wanted it to be deleted. And now what we will do is rearrange nodes next equals nodes next car next. That's all. I think we will return. I already told you, like, there are only 2 steps in order to solve this problem. So yes guys, this is it. And in different programming languages we can do it more fastly, but right now this is the code that I've written. So thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for supporting me, it means a lot. And okay, log out.